Pinoy restaurant and eat some Filipino food in Las Vegas. So that is, hubby is coming inside. Kakain kami dito sa restaurant na to kasi si hubby gusto niya ng Filipino food. So that's it. See you there, guys. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Yeah, sorry. Where's that? We're here in Las Vegas, in Filipino store. What's a Filipino restaurant? What's
The Pinoy joint.
Huh?
The Pinoy joint.
The Pinoy.
The Pinoy joint.
The Pinoy. Huh?
The Pinoy joint.
Oh, fuck.
Pull out your ears.
Huh? So we have crispy pata, garlic rice, and we have a what is this? Chop soy, and this is, what is this, Abby?
Calamari.
Calamaris. So that's our dinner for tonight. Masarap. Crispy pata has too much bones.
Crispy bones.
Oh. My hubby likes eating Filipino food. So what can you say about Filipino food? Mr.
So we bought crispy bones.
Big bones talaga, ha? Big bones talaga. So you call that big bones? That is a
We have a
crispy
plate.
pata.
We have a plate of big fried bones.
No, it's a crispy pata.
Crispy bones.
Crispy bones. Sira ulo. I see. So, yun. Lagi kami pumupunta rito. Every time na pupunta kami ng Las Vegas, dito kami kumakain dinner. Minsan lunch. Kasi gusto ni hubby. Oh, I thought you're going to eat, what's that? Bicol Express.
No, that would have been too much food.
Yeah.
We already have too much food.
And that one, if we don't eat that one, they will become what is that? Chewy tomorrow.
Soft bones. Chewy bones. We already have too much food in the room.
No, there's nothing left there.
It's part of the sub.
Huh?
The chicken wing.
Only one chicken wings. Only one. Only one chicken wing. Remember